If you have a toilet valve like this that is not shutting off completely, let me show you one thing you can check before replacing the entire valve that might just get you fixed up. So this right here is a little piece of rubber, and as you can see, it's dimpled from that right there. Water squirts up in here, and once that's closed, it pressurizes this cavity here and shuts the water off. But with that little dimple, it continues to leak through and won't fully shut the water off. But something you can do, if I can get this out. Oh, come on. I had you out before. You can flip this over to a fresh side. Pop this back in, make sure it's mashed down just about flush. And put everything back together. Let's turn it on and see if it works. And it works.